Hello, fourth grade math. This is going to be lesson 82, and we're talking about adding and subtracting decimal numbers. So let's take a look at these first examples. The biggest thing to remember when we add or subtract decimals is to make sure that we line up our place values, especially the decimal number. So on this first one, I've kind of drawn some lanes or some spaces to help you keep your place values in order. And it's always important, the first thing we do, we line up our decimals, and it's easiest when we line them up vertically like this. So this is an addition problem, so we can do our, after that, it's just going to be regular addition. So 5 plus 5 is going to be 10, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7, and then 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have our ones place, our tenths place, and our hundredths place. Same thing for subtraction. After we line everything up, it is going to be the same process. 5 minus 5, 4 minus 2, 3 minus 1. Okay? So when these problems can get tricky is like this one, where they just give us the two problems and they have it horizontally. What you want to do is rewrite it so that it is vertical, where you've got the numbers right on top of each other. And then you have to make sure when you rewrite it, you line up your decimals. Even if you have an empty space with one of your numbers, you will always line up the decimals just like that, and you can even put your decimal down here in your answer. So I've got my ones place, tenths place, hundredths place. And what you can do with this empty space, you can put in a 0. It's not going to change the value of the number, and it might help you with your addition or subtraction. All right, so here we go. 7 minus 0 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 6 minus 4 is 2. And I've lined up my decimals. I've made sure that each value is in its own lane. And that is adding and subtracting decimals, part 1.